Hi, welcome to another episode of our class. Today we're going to be looking at this binary question. So this is addition of binary numbers. You can see we are asked to add 11001 and 1011 in base 2 and leave our answer in base 10. Remember that base 2 numbers are also binary numbers. These are numbers between 0 and 1, or they are numbers that are 0 and 1. That's all the values in a binary number must not exceed 1. It must not be equal to 2. So we're going to be adding them, and I'm going to give you examples just the way we add. Remember that our normal addition is in base 10. The normal addition we know is in base 10. The same way we add 5 plus 5 and it gives us 10. The same way we don't write 10, it's the same method we use in other bases too. 5 plus 5, because they are in base 10, we will write what? 0 and move 1. Because the addition of this equal to the base. Don't remember, when you are adding values, it must not be equal to the base where you are adding. So in the same method, using this method, we are going to be adding in binary. So we have that 11001 in base 2 plus 1011 in base 2, and we are asked to add this. In the same vein, because this is base 2, our answer must not be equal to 2. So 1 plus 1, of course, is 2. And because we are in base 2, we cannot write 2. So what we do is write what? With 0 and move 1. Here, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, we cannot write 2, so we write 0 and move 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. We write down our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2. We write 0 and move 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Also cannot write 2. So we write 0 and move 1. Then we bring down the 1. So these are answer in base 2. But the question says we should leave our answer what? In base 10. That means we have to convert this base 2 to base 10. How do we do it? Don't forget that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 values here. Because we have 6 values, the powers become only 5. So we start from 0 to 5 because there are 6. So we are going to have that 1 times 2, which is in the base, raised to the power of 5, plus everything here has to be 0. 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 plus 0. We sum 1 times 2 is same thing as 2. 2 raised to the power of 5, we are going to have 32. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 32. Of course, everything here is 0, so we have 1 times 2. 2 raised to the power 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is what? 4. So our answer is going to be what? 36 in base 10. So this plus this in base 10 is 36. Of course, if you convert 36 to base 2, you're going to have this same answer. So let me give you a trick. In case you are asked to add in base 2, first of all, for easy understanding, try to convert each of the values in base 2 to base 10, and then you solve our normal calculations in base 10. And then whatever you have as your answer, you convert it back to base 2 and you get your answer. Bye bye.